Good morning. Today I am making crepes. This is a weekend breakfast staple around our house, right? You like crepes?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, the recipe I'm going to be following is from Serious Eats. It's their crepe with veal ragu recipe. I'll post it in the info section. Really simple recipe. It's just milk, so I'm going to add in 2.5 cups.
And some milk.
2.5 cups of milk. It is 2 cups of flour.
We're
Yes.
gonna put it in.
Pour this in. Yeah. Not putting the eggs, sweetheart. It's 4 eggs. Okay, yeah, I can help you. Yeah. There we go.
Oh.
And then maybe half a teaspoon or so of kosher salt.
Yeah.
That works really well in the blender. So I like to blend it for 20 seconds.
Oh.
You ready? Turn it up. Then I just scrape down the sides.
And then we turn it on again.
That's right. It's just in case any flour has clumped to the sides, and then I give it another 10 seconds.
Another 10 seconds.
Another 10 seconds. Okay, give her. All right, turn it up. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab some cooking spray. Well, that isn't empty. All right, let's take off this lid, sweetheart. Nope. Like this. Let go. All right, so I've got my pan at kind of a medium heat. Seems like it's ready. So I kind of set this up in assembly line. So I spray, I add, I'm not even sure how much, you'll see exactly what it is. I've never measured it before. And then as soon as it's in there, you need to start kind of swirling this around just to spread it out in as much of a circle as possible. So, spray, I add about that much right there. And then right away, I'm just swirling it around like so.
Alright, whose is that gonna be?
That's going to be yours.
Yay.
Yeah, that's right.
I always want the first one.
That you do.
Yeah.
And so that one's going to cook for just a minute here. And you'll see it will start to, it's not at that point yet, but these edges will start to curl up just a little bit. And then it'll be ready to flip.
It'll be ready to flip soon.
Yeah, somebody's still a little bit tired. Yeah, you can see here it's starting to curl up just a little bit. And peel it up and take a peek. I like to see just a touch of browning on the bottom. And this one here, it's going to be just for like a sweet crepe, so the kids like to put on peanut butter, Nutella, jam, stuff like that. And then we will be doing a savory crepe
and
afterwards.
Nutella.
So this one's been going for about 30 seconds or so. You can see there, it's got a little bit of browning on the bottom. So I'm just going to peel it off, fry it on a plate here, let it cool for a sec, and then we will add stuff for the little one here to eat. So this is the last crepe. You can see here, again, just kind of peeling up at the edges. Flip it. Some of these later ones we do a little bit crispier because we like them that way for the adults. The other ones are for the kids. They're really nice and soft. Now, so for these savory crepes, what we do is just take some grated cheddar, throw that on here. We also had gone ahead and sauteed some onions and ham. Sprinkle that right in across here. And we did go ahead and make a whole stack. It made 14 or 15 crepes that are between 10 to 12 inches in diameter, just depending on the crepe. And now for the savory one, so let it go a little bit. You can see it's kind of ready there. So I'll just kind of start to flip it, help melt the cheese a little quicker. And another roll. And another roll. And then it is ready to fire on a plate. Just like so. And I've got one more special crepe coming up here in a minute. Now this last crepe is a fun little trick. I've got an egg that I'm cooking sunny side up here, which is now ready. Flip this. So I like to put it the one side down for a second just to heat up that part. Throw down some cheese here. I'm also going to throw on some jalapenos, because why not? Then the ham and onions. And finally, the egg will sit right in there like that. Then it's going to tuck up corners like this. Kind of waiting on the cheese to melt here. Come around. Try not to burn your hands. One more fold. And you wind up with this sweet little crepe with an egg in the center. And fire that on a plate. Just like so. Now this one is definitely taking it to 11. And the glory shot here. Oh yeah. All that yolk. Fantastic.